There's a land of windflowers in the Colorado hills, where the painted daisies dance in the sun and forget-me-nots stand still, where the mountain pines still whisper about the eagles soaring high, while the wild rose and the coral bells talk of days gone by. The hills can see for miles from their viewpoints at the top. They've smiled and laughed with otters sliding down their streamside rocks. The meadows sing a melody only wildflowers can hear, and the breeze that blows off the mountains knows how to cool the graceful deer. The winter talks of springtime, the autumn knows it all. The country roads are summer guides who hear creation's call. They pause at every campfire under midnight stars. They climb the hills of daffodils, they travel near and far.